What defines a hero? Who are the heroes and where are they?
Heroes are everywhere. Even if we don't always see them,
they're helping people, fixing problems, and making homes safer every single day.
my hero always shows up, ready to right wrongs and fix what's broken. They're super strong, like they could lift a whole house.
My hero drives the big truck that delivers tools and supplies to his team, and he's always on time.
My hero has all kinds of gadgets and strengths, like X-ray vision. He can find problems before anyone else can see them, and he knows what to do to fix it.
My hero is always present. She talks to people who need help and makes them feel safe.
My hero can fix anything. He can go into any situation and make it better.
My hero works with big machines and makes sure all the materials get to the right place.
My hero helps people fight to save homes so families can be safe.
And when he's not doing that, he'll make new homes for people who don't have one.
My hero says the best power isn't flying or lifting buildings.
It's showing up every day, working hard and doing what's right.
No matter how hard the task is or how long it takes, heroes get the job done right.
You probably won't see my hero in a comic book, but to me, they're the greatest hero there is.